Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss all the details about application fees and everything regarding TS MSET. So TS MSET is also known as TS EPSET now. So TS MSET application fees is mandatory to apply for the exam. Students must pay application fee in online mode before the deadline ends. Candidates can check all details related to TS MSET application fee 2026 along with steps to apply and payment mode. The exam body JNTU, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad, on behalf of Telangana State Council of Higher Education, has started the TS MSET registration process. Candidates meeting the minimum eligibility criteria can apply for the exam till the last date, which is April 4th. To successfully register for TS MSET application form 2026, students have to pay the application fee. The registration fee vary based on the stream and candidate category. For students applying for engineering or agriculture and pharmacy streams, the fees is rupees 500 for SC and ST, and PH candidates, that is physically handicapped, is rupees 900. Candidates opting for both engineering and agriculture and pharmacy streams must pay a combined fee of rupees 1000 for SC and ST, and PH categories rupees 800 for others. This amount can be paid in online mode via credit card, debit card or net banking. So this is the fee structure, students. You can have a look. Now what will happen if you pay a late registration fee? There is also a provision to apply for TS MSET exam by paying the late fee. If candidates miss the initial deadline, they will have to fill the application form by paying a late fee. From the following table, candidates can find the tentative schedule and the late fee taken from past year dates. Now have a look at this table, students. If up till 4th April you pay, then there will be no late fee. But after 4th April, the main fee, which is called the base fee, plus 250 rupees up till 10th April you have to pay. If you apply after 10th April till 15th April, then you have to pay base fee plus 500 rupees extra for late fee. And if you pay from 15th April to 20th April in between, then you have to pay base fee plus 2500. Then extreme late if you pay, that is up till 24th April, then base fee plus 5000 rupees. Now let's have a look at the exam dates. For candidates who are appearing for agriculture and pharmacy MSET, the date is May 4th and 5th, 2026. Those who are applying for engineering, the dates are May 9th, 10th and 11th, 2026. Now let us see how to register for TS MSET 2026 step-by-step guide. To visit the website of TG EPSET and pay registration fee. Then enter your basic details such as name, date of birth, mobile number and qualifying exam hall ticket number. Qualifying exam means your 12th class hall ticket number, okay? After making payment via credit card or debit card or net banking or at TS or AP online center, verify your status to receive a payment reference ID. Then click on Fill Online Application and log in using Payment Reference ID, qualifying exam hall ticket number and date of birth. Then enter your personal details, educational details wherever asked. Then upload a scanned passport size photograph under 50 KB, that is kilobyte, and your signature under 30 KB in JPG or JPEG format. Then review all details carefully and download a copy before finally submitting the form. Now TS MSET fee application must be paid before registering. Payments can be made via online, credit card, debit card, net banking or T-wallet. Or you can make offline payment, cash payments at TS online or AP online centers by visiting MeSeva. Then TS application fee guidelines. The fees is non-refundable and non-transferable under any circumstances. Even if the candidate fails to appear in the exam, there is no additional fees to use the correction window to edit mistakes in the already submitted form. Means later on, after you submit your form, they will open a correction window. If you have name errors or any other error, you can edit your form at that time. So again, you don't need to pay any additional fees. The TS MSET counseling fees is separate from application fee. qualified candidates must pay counseling registration fee later after they are qualified in the exam. The TS EBSET registration mandatory documents are hall ticket number for intermediate or diploma, then Aadhaar card number or enrollment number, SSC 10th class hall ticket number for date of birth verification, caste certificate number for ST, SC and BC candidates and income certificate for fee reimbursement claims. तो फ़ी रीइंबर्समेंट का मतलब है कि तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट आपकी फ्री सीट के पैसे देगी। ये सिर्फ उन्हीं कैंडिडेट्स के लिए है जिनकी ईयरली इनकम 1.5-2 लाख से कम है। ओके, आप पार्शियली या फिर कंप्लीट फ़ी भी आप गवर्नमेंट से ले सकते हो डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर रैंक एंड योर इनकम, मीन्स योर फैमिली इनकम। ओके, next you need is scanned passport size photograph under 50 KB and signature under 30 KB in JPEG format. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, दिस इज तेलंगाना काउंसिल ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन वेबसाइट TG EBSET. I'll click on this and then see over here I can see the whole website is there and नीचे अगर आप जाओगे, see here they have given steps. Step 1 is pay registration fee. इसके ऊपर मैं क्लिक करूँगी एंड ऐसा आपको पूरा फॉर्म भरना है। ओके, देन आई विल गो बैक एंड देन दिस इज स्टेप 2. एक बार आप रजिस्ट्रेशन फी पे कर लेते हो, उसके बाद स्टेप 2 फिल ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन. सो यू हैव टू फिल योर डिटेल्स ओवर हियर. पेमेंट रेफरेंस आईडी, ये वो आईडी होता है जब आप पेमेंट करते हो पहली बार, आपको ये आईडी मिलता है. एंड देन नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू फिल इज क्वालिफाइंग एग्जाम, दैट इज इंटर सेकेंड ईयर हॉल टिकट. नेक्स्ट योर मोबाइल नंबर एंड देन योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ. तो ये सारी डिटेल्स भरने के बाद आप क्लिक करोगे ऑन प्रोसीड टू फिल एप्लीकेशन. इसके बाद में स्टेप नंबर 3 दैट इज प्रिंट फिल्ड इन एप्लीकेशन. यहाँ पर आप अपनी डिटेल्स भरोगे सेम एंड देन क्लिक ऑन गेट एप्लीकेशन डिटेल्स. आफ्टर दिस यू कैन गो बैक एंड देन यू कैन नो योर फी पेमेंट स्टेटस. यहाँ पर भी आपको वही डिटेल्स डालनी है, हॉल टिकट नंबर, मोबाइल नंबर, डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंड स्ट्रीम एंड देन क्लिक ऑन चेक पेमेंट स्टेटस. तो इससे आपको कंफर्मेशन मिल जाएगा कि आपकी पेमेंट बोर्ड तक पहुँची है या नहीं. देन अगेन फिर से आप गो बैक करो. अगर आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर नहीं पता है देन आप इसके ऊपर क्लिक कर सकते हो एंड देन अगेन अपनी डिटेल्स भर सकते हो सारे एंड आपको पेमेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर मिल जाएगा आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन सबमिट. आफ्टर दिस अगेन यू गो बैक. यहाँ पर आप देखो नोटिफिकेशन, एग्जाम कब है आपका, एग्जाम स्केड्यूल, टेस्ट जोन्स, यानी कि आप अपना नियरेस्ट एरिया चुन सकते हो. देन इंस्ट्रक्शन बुकलेट आपको पूरा पढ़ना होगा. देन सिलेबस क्या है, मॉक टेस्ट भी है यहाँ पर अवेलेबल. क्योंकि ये कंप्यूटर बेस्ड एग्जाम है CBT, इसलिए आप एक बार चेक कर लो. यू कैन चेक आउट माई वीडियो ऑन CBT MSET एंड देन यू कैन क्लिक ऑन वीडियो गाइड फॉर CBT. ये पूरे एग्जाम की हिंदी में मैंने वीडियो बनाई है स्टूडेंट्स, आप चेक कर सकते हो मेरे चैनल पर. तो यहाँ पर वेबसाइट पर एक कैंडिडेट के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन है कि जिन भी कैंडिडेट्स ने रजिस्ट्रेशन फ़ी ऑलरेडी पे कर ली है एंड स्टिल दे हैव नॉट फिल्ड द ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन, तो ज़रूरी है कि आप जल्द से जल्द अपनी एप्लीकेशन को सबमिट करो. द लास्ट डेट इज़ 4th April. So students, I have kept this link in the comment section. You can check it out. So this is the examination schedule. The date of notification in newspapers came on 14th Feb. The commencement of submission of online application started on 19th Feb. The last date for submission of online application fee without late fee is 4th April. Edit options will begin from 6th April to 8th April. Rest all these are late fee dates students, already we have discussed. But there is one more addition over here, that last date for submission of online application with late fee of rupees 10,000 is on 2nd May. I'm sure no one would like to pay that, so better apply the earliest. Then downloading of hall tickets for agriculture and pharmacy students will be on 23rd April, Thursday onwards. Then downloading of hall tickets for engineering students is on 27th April, Monday onwards. Date and time of TG EBSET examination. So morning session, which is called forenoon session, will begin from 9 AM to 12 noon for agriculture and pharmacy students on 4th and 5th May. Then afternoon session is from 3 PM to 6 PM for engineering students. The dates are 9th and 11th May. If you have more doubts, then you can mention in the comment box, students. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.